Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to share my bike trip experience to Turahalli Forest and Omkar Hills. We started our journey around 6:30 am on Saturday morning. Turahalli Forest is around 37 km from my place, which is in Whitefield, Bangalore. The roads were in good condition. Turahalli Forest, which is also known as Karishma Hills, is a dry deciduous forest which is loaded with wild shrubs and climbers with many eucalyptus trees. Activities such as biking, cycling, trekking can be enjoyed best on the terrains of Turahalli Forest. The place is quite scenic and surrounded by nature with a wide range of bird species. Unfortunately, the forest is fenced and the entry is closed nowadays because of the past record of robberies and forest fire. Then we visited Sri Dwadasha Jyotirlinga temple, which is located in Omkar Hill. The temple is unique and one of the most magnificent and gigantic temples in Karnataka. Proper parking facility is provided, which is free of cost. We need to remove footwear before entering the temple. In the temple, the 12 representative Jyotirlinga of the original Puranic 12 Jyotirlingas, which are in different parts of our country, are in one temple, each with an individual Garbhagraha and Vimanagapuram. The Dwadasha Jyotirlingas are very sacred and auspicious and are different from the ordinary Shivlingas. As per the Shastras, the darshanam of even a single Jyotirlinga will lead to moksha. In Sanskrit, Jyoti means light. So, a Jyotirlinga is a shrine where Lord Shiva is worshipped in the form of Jyotirlingam or Lingam of light. Puranas say that Lord Shiva first manifested himself as Jyotirlinga on the night of Arudra Nakshatra, and thus the special reference for the Jyotirlinga. The names and the location of 12 Jyotirlingas are mentioned in the Shiv Purana. The Dwadasha Jyotirlinga temple is in the Omkar Ashram, which is an abode of temples and religious activities. There is also a Panchala Nataraja weighing around 1000 kg, which can be seen. Hence, a pilgrimage to this Dwadasha Jyotirlinga Tirtha Kshetra and having darshan of all the temples and the blessing of sannyasis will remove all the Navgraha doshas, which are the source of all miseries, and brings abundant grace, joy, health, wealth, and peace. The temple was founded by Brahmalina Sadguru Sri Shivpuri Mahaswamiji with the intention of providing an opportunity to each and every devotee from Jyotirlinga Darshana, which otherwise require health, wealth, and time, as the original Jyotirlinga temples are in different parts of India. It also serves the purpose of propagating awareness, significance, and uniqueness of these 12 Jyotirlingas to the younger generation. Besides the temple, we noticed a beautifully constructed meditation center known as Dhyana Mandir. It was a pleasant journey. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos.